Do you want to turn off Google Assistant? Then you are at the right place. We have got the easiest way to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method. The steps may vary from device to device, but here are the basic steps to turn off Google Assistant from your Android device. Search for Google and select it. Click on your profile icon. Select Settings. Scroll down to Google Assistant. Next, scroll down to find General and tap on it. Now, you can toggle off Google Assistant. Alternatively, you can press and hold your smartphone's home button. Then tap on the microphone icon and say OK Google. Now scroll down to the General tab and tap on it. Next, toggle off the Google Assistant. And there you have it, the method to turn off Google Assistant. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the solution. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.